Hi everybody. Well, today I've got little Miss Myah out, and the reason why I have little Miss Myah out is, I've been talking a little bit about weather change. Winter is kind of here. Not right on us yet because we still have the odd sunny day. Because my house is lovely and warm, so I can still continue to sit around in just my singlets and sort of long pants, which is, me. And it's what I'm comfortable in, winter, summer. Of course, unless I go outside, then I'll wrap a shawl around me or something like that. But snakes, they don't wrap up, do they? At all. We supply their warmth for them all year round. And even though we do supply that warmth for them all year round, they still know it's winter. And out of all of my snakes, the one snake that knows it's winter is my Myah. And she slows right down over the winter. She tends to even stay moreover on the cool side when it's winter, and she also stops eating. And I wouldn't say she completely stops eating, but she slows herself down. Over summer she's at that door ready to go every 7 days when I put that feeder in, and she whacks it and takes it. Over winter, I generally will offer it to her on the 10th day, because I learnt if I offered her on the 7th day she would refuse. Offer on the 10th day sometimes. Then I would wait 14 days and she might take it. Sometimes I have to wait 3 weeks for this girl to decide that you're going to get your head out, you're going to uncurl. That's what I mean. Just slower. Not that interested in coming out. Tends to just curl up, go to sleep. Yeah. Of course I'll feed her and she'll go on over to her warm side, but otherwise she doesn't. She'll go into a log, which is in the middle section, or she'll go over onto a hammock. So even though I don't cool my snakes down, change anything for them, they're well aware of the weather changes, and this is especially for spotted pythons. They just are more inclined to be that way than my big guys, or well, my other snakes, I guess. A pony hasn't. She's just a young girl, whereas Myah is 4 years old. So, a little bit different for her. Hey. Now by now she's moving all over the place and wanting to explore and go and get down, and she's quite cool because she's been over that cool side all night, all morning. And of course I like to check her, make sure she's okay as well, don't we? But you've seen Myah and just how active she can be, and she's not even really wanting to unwind from my hand here at the moment at all. Just chilling is what she's doing. So it's only a very short video. So if your spotted is slowing down and going, I'm not really that interested in eating at the moment, don't worry about it. Spotteds do tend to do that a little bit over the winter. Don't know why that is, or why it happens to be our spotteds, but that's just how I found Myah to be. And it will be interesting to see if a pony with age does exactly the same thing. At the moment, a pony's always ready for a meal. But not this girl. Not at all. As I said, she's just slowing right down. Even out. Aren't you? And that, believe me, is very unusual for Myah. Isn't it? Hey? So guys, just a little video of Myah, where she's at the moment. Just not eating. She hasn't had a meal for 3 weeks, so I'm going to offer her a meal tonight. I'll let you know if she eats it or not. I get the feeling she's not going to. She doesn't even perk up really when I open up that door. And I know Myah will when I open the door for her. Don't you? So you take care of yourself, take care of your family, friends, snakes, all your animals.